Alright guys, what's going on? So as you can see from the title, me and Colin, we have a pack opening challenge. Alright? So what we're going to be doing here guys is, we're going to be, we couldn't find any shot glasses because we're too young, just kidding. We don't have one lemon juice thing guys, we have 4, alright? And I'm going to tell you guys what we're doing here. So, if I pull a sapphire or above, or if he pulls it, Colin and I have to take a shot of this lemon juice, and after, you have to have one of these dog food pellets.
Wait,
and
not this whole cup.
No, just a little shot, like equivalent to a shot. Definitely not that whole cup. That won't be good. Yeah, so let's get started. We got 600 KVC guys, so we're gonna open up maybe 40 packs. We're gonna do 2 boxes. So let's get started, alright? Alright, here we go.
Hold it.
Dang it! Come on, one of us is about to drink it. Please don't be me. Please don't be me. Alright. 3, 2, 1. Oh boy.
You good?
Yeah. Alright. That dog food's the worst part. That lemon juice made my eyes cry. Come on, I have oh my god. I have a feeling it's gonna be me again. Watch, right here. This one right here.
Oh, you already know.
What is that?
Legit sounds like you're taking a leak. No, you gotta chew it. You can't. It's not a pill. You didn't even taste the dog food.
Yeah, I did.
No, you gotta chew it.
Alright, we'll chew it next time. Flip it. Bro, we just pulled
Trey
him.
Burke again. Oh,
Duke.
let's go.
DeMarcus, we already have him.
Saw my life flash before my eyes.
Dude, you're gonna eventually gonna have to do it.
I don't know, man.
Yes. Oh, by the way, guys, if we pull a diamond, it's 2 dog food little things and 2 shots.
Oh,
so
really?
Dude, oh my god, why are we getting emeralds? Come on, this is not good.
Oh, big one, really.
Pull a bandwagon right here. Oh no, bro. Honestly, dude.
You just tripped over practically everything you could have tripped over.
So not about to do this.
But you have to, so. Dude, why you chew it like a cat?
Oh.
You know, I'm really hoping I know what to do. Here you go, buddy. Here's your chance.
I still... Dude, come on, 2K. Don't do me like this, please. Alright.
Bruh.
Dude, oh my god. Enough with the Trey Burks, dude.
Maybe they just like giving them out.
Can you, like, shut up?
I can't have a... I can't do that, guys. I can't. It's just too much.
You can't get it out.
Oh my god. Oh, I'm gonna get it out. Trust me. Kevin Garnett. Alright. We're good. Come on, 2K. Bring on the cheese. Come on. Here we go. I'm calling it. This one right here. Alright, yo. I don't even care. Dude, that's my first amethyst. Come on, give me another one. Yes! Another one! Let's get it! Comeback season.
Fine,
let's go.
Here, fine. You put that.
Alright, yeah, I got you. Can't even see how much is in there. Alright, we'll put that much.
Hand me the dosage, bro.
Dude, you're a legend, dude. How do you not, like... Oh, my God. How are you not, like, flinching or anything? I'm out, bro. Again. End my life, 2K. Just end it. Just end it.
What was that Looney Tunes cartoon?
What?
What was that Looney Tunes cartoon where he's like, yeah. Alright, you ready for this?
No, I'm not. Don't. You know, we'll see who it is. DeMar. All right, I'll take it.
Hi. Alright, bro. What was that, your 6th one?
Yep.
I've only done 2.
Come on, 2K. Oh, in my stomach, I can just feel it.
Yeah, I can
Oh
feel
my
it too.
God. Ugh. Please, no more. No more. Oh! Oh! Yo! No way. That's a diamond. I'm happy, but I don't want to have 2 of these things. No, don't open the diamond yet.
I know I'm not.
Oh, I'm gonna drink all of it.
Pop 2 or 1? What's up?
Guys, my eyes is oh my God. 3, 2, 1. Get it! Come on. Devin Booker. I'll take it. James Harden. We just played with him last.
James Harden's so cool though.
Yeah, I know. We just played against him last game. He's nasty. Cannot wait to put him in the lineup. All right, I'm gonna I can't even see, so we're gonna just do a football. Oh my God.
Dude, you got KD. He's good too. I think I just screwed
Let's
up.
go. I'm feeling it. Another diamond. Come on, 2K. Come on. Yes! You know what that means. What are you doing? Oh yeah, who we pulling? I don't even care who we pull though.
Do you have any gum after this, bro?
Probably have some gum. Tic Tacs. Your turn.
I need like a Tums.
Yes! Tums. You need Tums? Dion Waiters again?
I'm Rocky Bro.
Yes! Yes! Oh my God. I don't know why I'm getting so excited for this.
If we go through all 4 of these bottles.
All written on
This
your
is
name,
them?
boy. No, they all have your name on them.
Okay, now we know. All the even ones have the diamond.
No.
And like all of the.
No, we don't. We don't know that.
Yeah, because before I was roasting you with it, and now you're roasting me with it.
Good luck, my dude.
Down the hatch. I lied.
What are we gonna get? Get a big one right here. Yes, Devin Booker. Oh wait, no, that's a diamond. No, I'll still take him though. Devin Booker, let's get it. I will take that. Let's go.
My turn.
It's your turn, buddy. Football cheese. Oh yeah. Yes. You know what this last one means. Diamond.
Wait, we get to do rock, paper, scissors then.
No, it's not.
Oh, it's not a.
Football cheese. Come on.
Come on, baby. Come on. Yeah. Wait, who do we get?
Oh, I'll take him. All right.
Get it down, baby. Get it down.
I almost just threw up a
Come on,
little bit there.
Come on.
Yes!
Fudge!
Oh, LeBron, let's get it. This is probably like, what, the 9th one we ball at?
Alright, this one's for LeBron.
How's that good? Is that good? It's good. All right. Let's go. No way, dude.
Okay,
What is this cheese 2K?
Yep. Down the hatch. Yep, down the hatch it goes. See that, boys? Son of a champion. If you ain't been hacking along from eating dog food and drinking lemon juice, you're not a man, bro.
Alright guys, if you enjoyed, make sure to thumbs this video up. And if you want more, comment down below with Collin. Because we're down to doing more videos like this. That was pretty fun, don't you agree?
Yeah, dude. I'm not doing that dog food one again.
Yeah, we're probably going to do a different challenge.
If you guys really want us to do it again, I guess we can do it. But
if this kid gets 50 likes, we'll do it again. That's a lot. Because I'm about to do that again. So,
yeah.
Next My Team will be lit because we now have a diamond, and it's James Harden, the guy that we played against last time. So if you guys did enjoy, stay tuned for the next video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.